Hi, welcome to MarineMax. I'm Greg Kopp, and today I'd like to show you this trade we just took in. It's a Formula 40 PC 2012. This boat is gorgeous, very well maintained, one owner, hydraulic swim platform so you can put a toy on the back, lots of seating throughout. You've got a nice hard top for extra shade. You've got a wet bar area here with refrigerator, sink. Up here at the helm, you've got a lot of electronics, including autopilot, joystick. It's an IPS diesel, very easy boat to operate. You also have a nice walkthrough to get to the bow and to the sun loungers. Very easy, very safe. As you come inside, you'll see a lot of natural light. We don't have one light on right now, just to emphasize the colors of the boat and how much natural light you have. You've got a full galley with separate freezer, refrigerator, microwave, and a 2-burner stove. As you go into the master, you'll see you have a lot of space in there, as well as a door for privacy. Here you have a large dinette with a lot of seating throughout. And then in addition, you've got a big area in the back, which you could use for lounging, or you could sleep 2 other people. That also has a separate TV. And then in here, you've got a full head with separate shower. If you'd like to know more about the boat, please feel free to call me directly. I'm Greg Kopp. My cell phone is 786-390-5292. Thanks for watching.